Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's really important for anyone who uses Root's automatic installation of updates. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep your Root's installation up to date, or if you've ever wondered how to make the process easier and more efficient, then this video is for you. As we all know, Roots is a powerful tool that helps us manage our WordPress sites with ease. But like any software, it needs to be updated regularly to ensure that we have the latest features and security patches. Manually updating Roots can be time-consuming and prone to errors, which is why automatic installation of updates is such a game changer. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about automatic installation of Roots updates. We'll take a deep dive into how it works, the benefits it provides, and some tips and tricks for getting the most out of this feature. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically install Roots updates with confidence. So, let's start by talking about what automatic installation of Roots updates actually is. Well, in simple terms, it's a way of keeping your Roots installation up to date without having to lift a finger. With this feature enabled, Roots will automatically check for updates and install them whenever they're available. But how does it work well behind the scenes? Roots uses a combination of APIs and webhooks to communicate with its update servers. When an update is available, the server sends a notification to your site, which then triggers the installation process. The whole thing happens seamlessly in the background, without you having to intervene. One of the biggest benefits of automatic installation of Roots updates is that it saves you time and effort. No more logging into your WordPress dashboard every week to check for updates. With this feature enabled, you can focus on more important things, like creating content or growing your business. Another benefit is that it improves security. When you're running outdated software, you're leaving yourself vulnerable to security exploits. By keeping Roots up to date automatically, you're ensuring that you have the latest security patches and features, which helps protect your site from potential threats. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what if something goes wrong? What if an update breaks my site? Well, the good news is that Roots has got you covered. The automatic installation process includes a range of safety checks to ensure that updates are installed correctly and without disrupting your site. So, let's recap the key points we've covered in this video. Automatic installation of Roots updates saves you time and effort. It improves security by keeping your software up to date. The process is seamless and happens in the background. Safety checks are included to prevent errors or disruptions. That's it for today's video on automatic installation of Roots updates. I hope you found this explanation helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress and web development. And if you're looking for more information on Roots or WordPress, check out our playlist links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one.